Good day. What is this queue? Why are they sitting for? It's around 9 p.m. night. Is there any punishment or whatever religious activity? See what this is. These entire village people are waiting for almsgiving, so-called free of charge meal donated by these event organizers. Here you can see one person is holding blue color shirt or whatever, overcoat. That is the person who is the main invitee or the guider or the leader of the event. Friends, it's a god house activity. After god house activities, these people are giving some alms giving for the entire village. Entire village people have come here for that alms giving, you can see. These people are the leaders of God House. After their God House activities, they have come here for participate into that almsgiving. Here what happens is main god house control people are served by meal by these people. The organizers are sharing their portion of meal first of all to them. After that, all people are being served. First of all, that God people have to pray something, and after that only they can start the meal. At the moment people are being served, you can see, but they cannot eat it because some praying activity should be there. It's a time for their praying.
Devin Mandira Maida Mimike that body of low Pahalam Silami, Namite, Ratakamati, Hamagi, Namita, Raga Palamaya, Kialing, and William Gatsby, and somebody. Okuman City, Aru, the Hasta, Pada, Samana, Ruke, Eda, somebody, Dinatura, Eda, Mahatmela, here, Paula, in the name of without the meaning, Aru, and Aru, and do the Rendo, the Mizunama. Mahatmela, Raksa, the Tila, Mahatmela, Yani, and Gaman, Diman, Getty, Raksa, Kalnarutamateling, Adi, Gamal, Diab, Negative, and Maranati, the Godaban now. Extra Hakatava, Kavla, Deva, Kadia, Kuni, Madai, Advantage, now we say that one, Devil, but at them, but I am held about women now. Amara, the Laka Mananga, the Bulla Kazi, the Karole, the Kurpata, the Villa, Jackson, Malaga, British, and Yelmaka, Belmaka, and the Bang Celebrity, the Bang Celebrity, to Mark, celebrating every power, the Bamu, the Village, the one in the Raksa, Katharakamati, Ham, Buhan, Sidmidina, somebody to Buhan, like 18 for Anuradhapura. Eda Mahatmela, Padlogi, Silvina, Ata, Buttara, Eparam, Baras, and Dinamidan, somebody. Palapure, Vele, the Hekaramak, and the Vele, the Hekaramak, and the Saptatia, any the Hekamangal, Sahadi, the Hekaramak, Mangala, Katarakamati, Hamaki, Durmali, Mangala, Hula, Natura. Yegam Hatama Harak Savinda, Utomo, the Vene, Kisama, Lida, Duaka, Karen, Mahatmela, Arak Salah, the Havan, Babi, Tumbabi, Satarabani, Basmagi, Maranglabab, and Henry Babulat, letter. Everybody, Moon, Gavin, Moon, everybody, Natavadi, the number of Katarama, Getty Images, the Handmade, now Ranga, so Honda,
After finishing the praying, now it's a time for eating. They authorize others to eat. Still, ancient practices, primitive customs are followed by nowadays people as well, expecting wishes from gods. However, it should be admired that these people's effort and sacrifice in money and their labor in order to give such kind of huge, massive almsgiving, especially during crisis period in the country. By this type of rewards, may all human beings free from disasters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel please and share us, comment us, like us.